Like I said in the previous video, today we are going to repair a Samsung Galaxy A70 phone. Enjoy! Okay, I tried to power this phone and something vibrated, but it doesn't show anything on the screen. So let's plug it into the charger and see what will happen. So nothing happens. Let's try to boot it. Nothing. So we are going to disassemble it and see what is the problem. Let's try to remove this. So we have a spudger and we're going to open this. We need to remove the screws first. Okay, so one screw is loose. So someone opened this phone before and we need to know that. Okay, so we remove the screws and right now let's try to open it. Okay, so first let's see if the battery is good. Let's get the multimeter. So I don't know if you can see it. Yes, you can. So let's test the battery. So 3.3 volts. Okay, the battery is good. So right now I'm not sure if you can see this, but here we have on the edge corrosion. So we are going to disassemble the motherboards and see if there is any corrosion or blown components and things like that. So I checked the motherboards and I saw corrosion. So, and on the one place I saw a short that this corrosion makes. So I'm going to try right now to show you this corrosion, but I don't have a camera on my microscope, so I will try it from my phone. So you see this? This is a corrosion. So watch right here. There is a short. You see these components that are shorted? The corrosion made this. How are we going to remove this corrosion? Just simple. Clean it with alcohol. And I'm going to show it right now how you can clean it, and then we are going to try to power on this phone. Here we have a downboard and we need a cotton bud and alcohol. clean the connector. And let it dry. Meanwhile, when I was not recording, I charged up the phone and the battery had like 3.85 volts, and from there I tried to boot the phone and I could hear that it was booting, but I could not see any picture on the screen. So I opened the phone and cleaned the downboard again, and I tried to boot it again, and for a millisecond I could see a picture on the screen. So from there I knew that it was a screen issue, and I bought a new screen, and then this happened. When I was removing the battery, I make a hole into the battery. Right now the phone is working. Right now we need to buy a new battery, because if we use this battery it can burn the phone. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something, and that's it.